Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix permanently suspended Twitter account. Before I get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first thing first, if I try to log into my Twitter, as you can see here, it does not show anything on here. It's all just blocked and I cannot do anything at all. If you guys have this problem, I will show you guys to fix it. So first click on your profile picture in the top left of your screen and then click on settings and support, which is at the very bottom of the bar, and here click on help center, which is the second option in this drop down bar. Once you click on help center, you will be brought to the help center website of Twitter, and here you are going to want to find option managing your account. It is the first option for me, but if you cannot find it anywhere, then click on the search bar and search about suspended accounts, and once you search that up, it should be the first of or second option. And once you find the suspended accounts, here you are just going to want to scroll down to how to unsuspend your Twitter account. So just scroll down a little bit, and as you can see it is here, and then you want to scroll down to fill up an appeal, and we may be able to unsuspend your account here. There should be a blue button at the end of the paragraph and it says file an appeal. Click on that. You will be brought to this page right here. As you can see your username and email that is connected to your account, and you will just want to type a paragraph or so saying what happened. So I will just type in something along the lines of when I tried to log in into my account on Twitter and said it was permanently blocked, and even though I have never done anything against the community guidelines. This is just a log lines of something you want to type. So once you do that, just type in kindly look into this issue and fix it please. So just something along these lines again, and get my account unsuspend, and then say thank you Twitter team or something like that. And once you type all that in, you can just look over a couple more times and then just click submit. So if you really have not done anything and I just randomly locked your account, then this will unlock your account or unsuspend your account. However, if you are banned because you are saying something racist thing or something like that, then you are probably will not be able to get your account unsuspended. However, if you are innocent, then they will unsuspend your account and they will send you an email saying they have unsuspended your account. So I hope this video was helpful, and this is the way how you can fix permanently suspended Twitter account. Thanks for watching this video.